Welcome to the official registration guide for AOTCA 2025 Nepal. Visit AOTCA2025nepal.com and click Register Now to access the registration form on the web or the AOTCA 2025 mobile app. Then choose your category: delegate, delegate with the spouse, officer, or officer with the spouse, and select the appropriate fee type. Now let's walk through a registration form step by step. Start with your full name, email, passport number, and country code with the phone number. This ensures you receive your confirmation. So who are officers? Officers are AOTCA officers, CFE delegates, GTAP delegates, WAOTI delegates, CTEP delegates, heads of delegation from AOTCA member organizations. Proceed with the participant type, AOTCA member organization, and membership number. For the best food experience, choose your meal preference. For example, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, or specify in the field below. Choose the appropriate participation type ticket and tick the sessions you plan to attend, like the conference, gala dinner, or half-day tour. Add any special remarks, then agree to the consent terms. Once everything looks good, click Submit to complete your registration. And just like that, you're done. Register now to join more than 1,400 tax professionals from across Asia and the world for a powerful blend of professional insight, networking, and Nepalese hospitality. See you at AOTCA 2025 in Kathmandu.